Good morning everyone and welcome into the brand new Audi TT RS Roadster. Today I'm in the Swiss Alps, as you can probably see behind me. Got the roof down, which I'm not sure is a smart move yet because it is currently -1. We've just had the first snow up in the mountains. Yeah, a little bit fresh, but it is a Roadster and I thought it'd be fun to have the roof down until I get too cold, of course. First of all, to start off today's video, I wanted to do a quick box opening, which I've not done before. It was hard not to open this before off video, but you know, it's kind of a little bit of a special moment, I guess. Not that special, I do realize that, but nonetheless, it doesn't happen every day. It's super strange getting a box from YouTube, I have to say. Ta-da! How cool is that? So there we go, my 100,000 subscriber button, silver button. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. And since then, already had another 10,000 subscribers. Not that I'm counting. Onwards with the video. So let's start up the 5-cylinder. Let's go for kind of one take video today in the new TT RS Roadster. Here on the Alps pass, change the drive select, put it into dynamic. That also opens up the exhaust, put it into manual. So now I'm just going to drive down the pass and then do one lap up, getting my first impressions of the car. Audi Switzerland have given me this for the next week, and yeah, I'm very happy to be spending some time with such a cool car like this, already making me smile. So I picked it up last night and yeah, straight away I was very impressed with the car. The first thing that I've just fallen in love with is just the interior. I've always been a huge fan of Audi interiors. They're just so well put together, and this one, the configuration on this one is just beautiful. For me, this is a big factor of why I would buy a new RS Audi, is just for the interior. Loved that 5-cylinder. It was about this time last year that I came up here and made the video with the Range Rover SVR and the Audi RS4. So yeah, it's really cool to be back up here again at the same time, a year later, with an Audi. 2.5 litre, 400 PS, 5-cylinder engine, and that is the second reason why you would buy one of these or an RS3, simply for that engine. So this one in particular is super nicely configured. It's pretty much got every extra, everything feels, well, it just feels so good. Apart from, like I always say, the very cheap plastic paddles. That's pretty much the only letdown. Oh no, that's a lie. The sun visors are super cheap, terrible plastic, which is, yeah, it's a bit of a letdown because everything else is really good, and then you have this kind of one thing there, but you know, I can get over it. It's just a small thing to point out. It does have the optional sports exhaust, which will set you back an extra 1,300 Swiss francs. But of course, being a new car, the whole particle filters and so on, the sound has been muffled massively. Now, it's not the fault of course, Audi. It is a shame. Oh, there we go. 5-cylinder kicking in with the Quattro system that just pulls. I love how these cars pull. It's such a satisfying feeling. The way it puts the power down. Oh, out the corner, on power, no hesitation. Even with the wheel not completely straight, then it's like, no, I'm gonna put the power down completely. With the roof down as well, I'm actually not cold, although it is currently -1 outside. I've got heating coming out the back here onto my neck. So far, I've done a good job at being able to keep the roof down, even in conditions like this. I love cars like this so much. They just don't take themselves seriously. It's all good being in supercars, but truth is, sometimes I think I have more fun in a car like this than I would in a supercar. You can just throw it around so easy. Whoa! I nearly couldn't change gear quick enough then. First gear. just flies into second. At lower revs, it does sound nice on the downshifts. I hope you can hear that. There is still noise there. Oh, nice little turbo sound as well. But yeah, you don't get the crackles. On the cold start I did yesterday, ready to film the cold start, nothing. Exhaust completely closed. So when you start it, even at cold, you don't get any cool sound, which of course is a shame. You know, that was a big point of buying one of these cars, this or an RS3, was the noise. But nonetheless, you can still hear that 5-cylinder. It's just such a nice amount of power, so playful. The grip, I mean, it's -1, there's even a little bit of ice on the road, and yeah, I mean, look at this thing, it's just incredible. The way it works is outstanding. Just got to the top of the pass, fresh snow on the floor. How amazing does it look up here? I guess that's another really cool thing about this car, is that it is a sports car, but yet you can plow through the snow, you can drive it all year round. Another quick blast. Down. I was meant to do a one take just coming up, but yeah, having a little bit too much fun today at this. So base model, as far as I'm aware, in Switzerland will set you back around 91,000 Swiss francs. This one is 110,000 Swiss francs. And let's be honest, regarding the sound, although it does still sound good, there's no question about that. As you can hear, most people are going to whack an aftermarket exhaust on this. I mean, the sound is still there, it's just been muffled. So there we have it, the new Audi TT RS Roadster up here in the Swiss Alps, -1, and I'm not dressed accordingly. But I'm just going to end today's video off with a kind of quick walk around of the car and showing you a bit more detailed interior. And yeah, that will be it for today. And then I'm going to head back up and start filming the second video. For me personally, the back of the car, I'm just a bit, I've always been not a big fan of just kind of how soft it is. I feel like at the back, you've got these curvy bits, then you've got a super strong pointed wing. I do like the look of the wing, but I just feel that the back doesn't really match the front perfectly. I mean, look at the front. The front looks just awesome. Just love the new design on the Audis with the grille and everything. It just, yeah, I think it really, really is a good looking car. Love these huge exhaust, super cool looking. This here is, well, that looks like a fake vent. Oh no, Audi. It's a fake vent, and it's not even color matched to black, so it's like this kind of horrible grey. So yeah, a bit of a letdown there. Should have at least been painted black like this. Let's jump inside. This for me is a big winning point. The Audi interior, the red stitching on the seats. These seats, they look fantastic, but they're so comfortable. Got vents here, bringing out nice hot air onto your neck when you have the roof down. Love the Audi steering wheel. Everything just feels so nice in it. So yeah, here all carbon fiber. Red parts match the car, red stitching down here as well. I love that you can adjust it on here. I think that's such a cool feature. And on this side, you've got the seat heating, so you can adjust the seat and the neck heating, which is really, really cool. That was the interior. That was my highlights of the car. Hope you enjoyed today's kind of one take video. I'm now going to jump into the Z4 and do a video of that. See, even Kimon's gone roof down. It has actually just started snowing a little bit. I don't know if you can see on camera, there's little snowflakes.
But it's perfect.
It is perfect cabriolet weather, right?
Yeah.
Well, we've both got neck heating in the cars.
No, sadly not.
Oh, you don't have neck heating? Oh.
I have my neck
yeah.
heating right there.
It's okay, I have the better car then. But thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video, and subscribe if you're not. But for me, I shall see you in a couple of days with the next video with this car. It is officially ciao for now.